sometimes stripping everything back will bring clarity. The crown molding is gone, the baseboards are off, closet is cut out. It looks a mess. But this is where I start seeing my vision come to life. I'm Tracie, and meet Dajuan West, my hero. Just so you know, this is my disclaimer. If you're looking for beauty from me, it's not today. I'm looking as messy as this room. But this is what it's about. I'm trying to get in there, do the work, assist. Today I was assisting, but yeah.
Absolutely. And I want it to be, finished. You know how it's like so many layers of paint.
Dajuan came in and he started taking down the crown molding. That molding had been there since, I'm going to assume since the house was built. Because I got down one, but that was really tough compared to the baseboards. So he finished it off for me, and I'm very grateful. This was a fun day. He's pulling the crown molding down the same way he told me how to take the baseboard off. Worked way easier for him for some reason. He had the magic touch or something. I don't. But if you'd like to do your own, basically he scored the seam with the X-acto knife, and then he took the flathead screwdriver and placed it in the cut, took the hammer and tapped the screwdriver on top, and then he pried the molding away from the wall. The only thing difference between my baseboard molding and my crown molding is that I'm keeping the baseboard molding and I'm getting rid of the crown molding. And so I labeled the baseboard molding and the wall so that I could easily put it back.
You put the word.
Oh, no, it's okay. I mean, this is giving you an issue. It's nothing for me to just get it off of there.
Wow. Okay, I can move these out the way.
Okay.
Over to the other side. Oh my goodness.
Once he was done with the crown molding, he moved over to the molding of the doorway to prepare to cut the doorway a little bigger. This was exciting. I was enthralled.
I might have to go back to the gym and get some muscles.
So,
oh, okay.
once we run into this stud right here, we run our blade directly along that, we'll be fine.
High five.
Yeah.
I'm still amazed at what just happened. But it's my turn to put in some work, so I cleaned up all the mess and put it in the garage. And I look forward to next week. And I look forward to seeing you again. Toodaloo. Toodaloo.